Menteri Rangba Kajala u Konrad ke sangma hakaship ho tarik nai wiang ulahir jerip ya kamadan artificial turf kabadan hadlat japlam amnaram kaba kajing pentre mentah kalaya shat shakman. Lasan ran lang ya u Konrad ke sangma da Menteri Kataran Puli Puthi ubala kamin rumbui haringkat ke officer na Kataran Directorate of Sports and Youth Affairs u District Sports Officer DSO West Giant Hills Krobok Pasa ki officer sorkar na lor ki nongelam bat khajong amnaram Subdivisional Sport Association na lor ki wei. Ha kani ka jingle jurem Menteri Rangba Kajala ulak do bagi madan ya lekai ki bakum kini mentala tay hakeleng Kajala da ka jingtmu ban kintiu ya ki jingle lekai. Ulapun pauru ka jingkermen bakani ka project conservation ka ba ailad ek samla jong ka amnaram bat ki jaka ba marjan ban pentebit bat banyashim benta haki jingle lekai football. Menteri Rangba ulapan pau biang ru ya ka jing peteng jong sorkar ban pensluri ki jingle lekai ka jing kentiwi ki samla bat ka jinga day ka imlang salang da ka ba penkesan bakum kini ki jaka kin penroy ki sam bat penklan ya ka kolshor ya lekai hakathan.
Good morning. Very nice. Beautiful. Good.
अभी क्या बाकी है?
अभी बिल्डिंग ऑफ सिंक्रेशन में रबर हम गैलरी वर्क कर रहे
तो ये अच्छा करता है ना?
So whatever it is, silicone with that. Yeah, silicone or whatever. Yeah. Come, we'll have a picture together. There's rubber pellets, whatever it is. Silicone with that. Yeah, silicone or whatever. Yeah. Come, we'll have a picture together. Yeah, association. Yeah, yes, yeah. You stand here only. Come. Okay. So now we are here in the Amlaram Subdivisions Association football field, and this ground is, as you can see, this is the project of the artificial turf that is going on, and it has come out really well. There are many such projects going on throughout the state, and we expect that this should be complete and we should be able to start having the football matches by March of 2026. So it's a great project and I'm very happy to see the progress of the work out here. Thank you so much.